Day 4 of our Wellness Week educational workshop. If you have been listening to my other videos, I've been talking about the immune system and how it plays a huge part in our body. And yesterday I went over the different factors that can cause our immune system to be compromised. Actually, I went over it. Let's see, today's Wednesday. I went over it Monday. So yesterday we talked about the skin and how it can get compromised. So today we're going to be talking about our diet. Yes, our diet plays a huge part in supporting our immune system. Because as I mentioned our immune system originates in our gut. So if we don't provide our immune system in our gut with proper nutrition, then we're going to end up having problems with our body, and you're going to notice start getting sick and so forth. So I want to share with you what I do to help support my immune system, my diet as well. We try to eat as healthy as we can. I grant you, we're not 100% perfect. Nobody is. But for the most part, we eat lots of fruits and vegetables as we can. But even with that, no matter how well of a clean diet we eat, we do not get all the nutrients our body needs on a daily basis. So doTERRA had what we call supplements, our Lifelong Vitality Pack. This these supplements are to die for, to be honest with you. I have been involved with doTERRA for over 7 years, and I have been taking these every day of the week. Yes, they consist of all three bottles are capsules and soft gels. These supplements, like I say, they are doTERRA's #1 seller, have been a life changer. Uh, these three different types, let me explain a little bit about each one. The Alpha CRS, which is to support our cellular health, support our cells to keep them healthy. The E Omega is our quote unquote fish oil, as a lot of people know it as. Okay? And these particular uh, soft gels actually have essential oil in them. And then the third bottle is actually our Microplex VMZ. This is our food nutrient complex. So the combination of all three of these uh, different capsules is what's going to help support our gut and keep it healthy to where it can heal our body from the inside out. I'm going to just share with you a little bit of what these supplements, how they support our body. They provide you with general wellness and vitality, antioxidant and DNA protection. They give you energy metabolism, energy, uh, bone health, immune function, as I've been talking about, supports our cardiovascular health, our hair, skin, nails, help with providing good support for our eyes, our brain, nervous system, as well as liver function and digestive health, lung and respiratory health. They're gentle on the stomach, and they definitely are GMO modified free. So as you can see, these 3 bottles together, as I mentioned, and the other 2 of them, they all support our gut and keeping it healthy. Um, we have found that by taking these supplements, it would help you to look, feel, and live younger, longer. So that's these supplements here, but I'm also going to share with you a couple of other supplements that I take as well. Terrazyme, Digestin Terrazyme, and the other one is Digestin PB Assist. Both of these are very critical to take as well. Digestive Terrazyme help give our body the whole food digestive enzyme and mineral cofactors that are often deficient, that we find deficient in our cooked, processed, and preservative foods. And what these do is help provide our body with the enzyme that it needs to help break down the food so our blood cells and all can absorb the nutrients in our body. These are, you can take them 1 to 3 capsules with meals, depending on how often you need to take them. They are absolutely great in supporting our body for keeping our enzymes healthy. The other one that we have is the probiotic PB Assist. I know lots of people take probiotics, whether you buy them at the grocery store or a health food store or online, wherever. These that doTERRA has put out are totally different. You're not going to find any that are like these. And I'm not joking. These are a double capsule probiotic. I'm going to show it to you so you can see it. See, you got the clear, and then you got that little green capsule that's inside that one. What that does is, most probiotics, when people take them, they get broken down in our stomach because of the stomach acid. And what the probiotics is supposed to do is supposed to actually support our gut flora and providing the good bacteria in our small intestines. Well, with majority of the probiotics that people take, it never gets to the small intestines because the stomach acid takes care of it before it even has a chance to do what it actually needs to do. This is why doTERRA formulated this capsule that I just shared with you. So it's able to pass through the stomach and enable to the little green capsule that I put in there, that it's able to get down into your small intestine and do what it needs to do and provide a good gut flora for our gut. So all of the supplement plus these 2 things are a must in my house, which we take every day on a daily basis. So, and because what's going to happen is you need to heal our bodies from the inside out. Yes, doTERRA has lots of oils that can support our immune system as well. But unless we can start healing our body from the inside out to help take care of any issues we got, it's going to be hard just for the oils themselves to take care of everything. Yes, they will help tremendously. Don't get me wrong. They're very effective. But our body, we have to take care of it on the inside as well. And I'm going to share a true story with you about supplements. A very dear friend of mine, her brother-in-law worked for a sewer company. And his job was to filter through the waste to make sure there weren't any toys that kids had thrown down the commode or anything that doesn't belong there. when he did this, what totally surprised him were the mound and mounds of pills that he fished out that were still whole, hadn't even been dissolved. He couldn't believe it. He said people are spending thousands and thousands of dollars on supplements that they were buying, you know, online, in the grocery store, health food store, wherever, thinking they are doing them good, and they're actually harming their bodies more. So that's just a thought that I'd share with you. I'm going to share a testimonial about someone using this oil, using these supplements in addition to their oil, on how it has improved her life. I have a dear friend whom I follow on Facebook a lot. She has always been sick all of her life. She's had migraine headache, asthma, severe sinus infection, IBS, antidepressant, anxiety. You pretty much name it. She's pretty much had just about everything. And she's taken tons and tons of antibiotics. She was on like 12 to 13 prescription drugs at one time. And she ended up taking, doctor changed her antibiotic for her severe sinus congestion allergies that she was dealing with. And after 5 days of taking one capsule each day, this particular prescription drug caused her to become disabled, to where she could not function anymore. It messed up her brain. She ended up in a wheelchair for quite a while. So this happened over a 3-year period that she was dealing with all of this. And she said there were some days she just wished the Lord would have come and taken her. That's how bad she was. But in the meantime, almost at the end of the 3 years, a friend of hers introduced her to doTERRA and told her about the product. And she thought, yeah, what is a small bottle of oil going to do for me since nothing else has worked? She went ahead and given it a try, and fast forward from then till now. So she's been using doTERRA for about 6.5 to 7 years herself. I guess 6 years. And taking these supplements is a must that she did. She's 48 years old. This happened in 2011 for her. She's 48 years old. She is completely free of any prescription drugs. She doesn't get sick anymore. If you would see a picture of what she looks like now versus what she looked like prior to bringing doTERRA in her life, you would not believe it's the same person. Totally different. So she will tell you, she swears by these in helping her get her body straightened out. So anyway, I just wanted to share this all with you today. So stay tuned tomorrow. I will be talking some more about some more natural products can support our immune system as well. So y'all take care. Have a great day, and we'll be talking tomorrow. Bye.